Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to manage your saved credit cards for Safari AutoFill on your iPhone. You can add new cards, remove old ones, or completely disable credit card autofill. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll all the way down and tap Apps. Now scroll to the S section and select Safari. Next, scroll down to the General section and tap Autofill. Here you'll see the credit cards option. If you don't want Safari to automatically fill your payment information, simply turn credit cards off. If you want to manage your saved cards, leave the toggle on and tap Saved Credit Cards. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode if prompted. You'll now see all the credit cards saved for Safari AutoFill. To add a new card, tap Add Credit Card at the bottom. You can either enter the card details manually or tap the camera icon to scan your credit card and let your iPhone fill in the information automatically. When you're finished, tap Done to save the card. If you want to remove a saved card, tap Edit in the top right corner. Select the card you want to remove, then tap Delete. And that's it. That's how you manage your saved credit cards for Safari AutoFill on your iPhone.